One of these broads gets a little chippy with the camera today. Place your bets on which one it is in the comments below. We got another little snow shower today. It didn't accumulate to anything, but it's definitely that time of year where it's going to be snowing more. Hens are all looking pretty happy, even though it's cold and windy today. They don't seem to mind. All right, who'd you put your bet on to get aggressive with the camera? Did you have the Reese's one? I did not. And on that note, let's let them be. And got to do the daily water jug burp. Real quick egg check out of hope more than expectation. Skunked again. Last thing is that the swing fell down. We'll get that fixed for him. But that's all we've got for today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Godspeed.